Imagine waking up and realizing your bank account grew overnight. No boss. No clocking in. Just your money, working harder than you do. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple passive income streams you can start this month, even if you've never made a single dollar online before. Let's turn your free time into financial freedom. 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay you a piece of their profits. Platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity make it easy to start with small amounts. You buy once and keep earning every quarter. 2. Print on demand. Design a t-shirt or mug, upload it to a site like Redbubble or Merch by Amazon, and they handle printing and shipping. You create once and get paid every time someone buys. 3. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, or online courses. You make them once, sell forever. No inventory. No shipping. Just pure digital profit. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and get a commission for each sale. Amazon Associates is the easiest to start with. Share a link, earn money every time someone buys through it. 5. YouTube automation. Faceless channels, like this one, can make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. You don't even have to show your face or record your voice if you don't want to. 6. Stock photography. Upload your photos to sites like Shutterstock or Pexels. Each time someone downloads your photo, you get paid. 7. Renting out assets. Your car, camera gear, even your parking space can generate passive income through platforms like Turo or Fat Llama. Start with just one stream, then add more as you grow. Because here's the truth, multiple income streams aren't a luxury, they're a necessity. In my next video, I'll show you how to build your first $1,000 a month from scratch. See you there.